All right, welcome once again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how I achieved this beautiful mockup using AI. You can check out this mockup. Here is the design. Here is another version. This is another one, and this is another one. So, I'll be showing you how I achieved this in few seconds without using Photoshop. So, if you're coming across my video for the first time, do well to like, share, subscribe, and follow for more videos like this. So now let's get started. So first thing you have to do, open your chat GPT. Now this is my chat GPT. So we are trying to get a prompt that can mock up exactly the design I showed you. So open your chat GPT and type, help me with a prompt that can mock up a sticker design I did for a small shops brand. So you just have to be creative at this point. Help me with a prompt that can mock up a sticker design I did for a small shop brand. Okay, with a jar, with a jar. Remember, this is what we are trying to achieve. This is what we are trying to achieve. So help me with a prompt that can mock up a sticker design I did for a small shop brand with a jar that contains peanuts. With a jar that contains peanuts or chin chin inside. So this is it. Help me with a prompt that can mock up a sticker design I did for a small chops brand with a jar that contains peanuts or chin chin inside. Okay, let's send and let's wait. So this is what ChatGPT gave us. This is what ChatGPT gave us. So this is the prompt. You have to click on select text and copy this. So select this from here and then let's copy the prompt. So after copying the prompt, you have to open your Google Gemini, which is this. Open your Google Gemini like this. So here is my Google Gemini. What I will do now is I will import this particular design. I will import this design. So this is the design, and these are the stuff we are trying to achieve. These are the mockups we are trying to achieve. So I'll open this design and then I'll share it. So this is it. I will open my Gemini, Google Gemini, and then I'll import this design and I'll paste the prompt I copied from ChatGPT. So you can see it's a clear plastic jar filled with crunchy peanuts, blah blah blah, and all that. So let's edit this. You have to write using this design, comma, create a, so you can see it, using this design, create a clear plastic jar filled with crunchy peanuts or chin chin, photographed on a clean, well-lit surface. The jar has a glossy, professional applied sticker label on the front. Place the user sticker design centered on the jar with realistic light reflection, slight curvature to match the jar surface, and natural shadow. The scene should look like a commercial product mock-up for a small shop brand with soft studio lighting, high detail, and a crisp modern look. So this is the prompt ChatGPT gave us. We copy it and paste it on this Google Gemini. Now let's send it and let's wait for the result. So you have to wait for it. Let's give it some seconds. Wow, this is absolutely beautiful. This is very beautiful. So you can see on this design I sent, this design I'm using as reference, you can see a cover on it. You can see a cover. This one you can see a cover, and this too you can see a cover. So now let's add this cover to this. Now let's write add a cover to it. add a cover to it. Now let's describe how the cover will look like. Add a cover to it, make the color to be exactly the same color of red on the design. Add a cover to it. So we are trying to make the cover to be exactly the same color of red on this sticker design for balance. So add a cover to it, make the color to be exactly the same color of red on the design. Now let's send and let's wait for the result. So you have to give it few seconds. You have to give it few seconds. Now this is the result. Perfect. This is exactly what we are looking for. So you can see my reference, you can see the different ones I did, and then you can see this exactly the same thing. So if you are trying to mock up other stuffs, you have to be creative. Yes, you cannot use the same prompt to get a result, another result for a separate design. So each design has its own prompt. So for this particular design, this is the prompt we are using, and this is the result it gave us. So you click on this and then click on save, and you have to remove this watermark. You have to remove this watermark here. So let me open my gallery and show you. So you can see it here is the design, very beautiful. So we want to remove this watermark logo. So you can either remove it with Snapseed or Lightroom, or you can use PixelLab, any of these. So here is my PixelLab app. So I'll click on this and I'll have to import the design. So I'll click on this, and then I'll import it. So here is the design. I'll increase the size. That is it. So I'll go ahead and lock it. Then I'll import a shape like this, place it here, and then I'll change the color. Let's pick the color from this. I'll come over here, pick this particular color, and that is that. You can see it. So you can go ahead and use this for whatever thing you want to use it for. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and try this out and let me know if it will work for you. I'll see you on the next one.